These are new deals. These are new deals. You can attach it to that vacuum, and you will get that for free if you on both sides. Those are all flexible tools. Alright, we got clearance. Best 2 deals at the Home Depot. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more 2 deals. Price glitches. Alright, so let's go ahead and start here. We got $2.99 for that mower. It is not a full size, it's just a 16-inch. These are mostly medium to small yard tools. Except for this one. This one's actually pretty good. Pruning chainsaw for $99. Alright, the blower. $129, 100 mile per hour blower. It's going to be on the weaker side. And that pruning saw is $99. So it's not bad. You got a 13-inch string trimmer edger kit. Now this one's $129. Yeah, like I said, it's going to be on the smaller side. Trimmer and blower combo $149. That for $199. And then you got that mower for $299. So it's going to be on the smaller, weaker side. Tell you the truth. Alright, so onto some full-size mowers. You got the Milwaukee. It is down $100. $9.99 from $10.99. However, on this one, you can do the buy more, save more. You can bring it down to about $600 if you get the maximum discount with the buy more, save more. This is an excellent deal here for the Makita. On this one, you're getting a total of 4 batteries. It is a dual battery mower, so you do have to put 2 of these at a time, but you do get 2 extra ones. On this one, you got $449 or $299 will get you a free attachment. Yeah, these are definitely killer hacks. You guys could hack these or return those attachments, however you want to do it. Or keep both, because it's actually a pretty good deal. But the best one is the edge trimmer to do the hack with and get it at the tool at a cheaper discount. Alright, clearance $144 down from $359. String trimmer and blower combo. It's already sold out. Be on the lookout for that one. Here's another one on clearance $150 down from $329 for this edger. This is an Echo gas edger. So that's it right there. If there's any links, I'll leave them down below in the description section of the video on the YouTube shopping cart. You got that one for $14.97, and then you got this sprayer mister, $74.97 from the Fogger mister. You got a 3000 psi pressure washer. This is electric. That is $3.99. It's for smaller jobs, medium to smaller jobs. You got an 1800 psi for smaller jobs for $99. These are great for washing cars. I personally do have one. Alright, we got this one. This one's $149. It's a 1900 psi EPW. So this one's a newer one. It does come with a nice carrying handle and some accessories holder. Same thing with this one. It's gonna be does have a really nice cage, carrying handle, and all that. So 2100 psi DeWalt for $299. You got gas. So these are all gas. So 2900 psi. This one's $299. Horizontal engine. And then you got this one. This one's a 3300 psi. It's going to be bigger. And then you got the bigger one, which is the premium gas pressure washer from the DeWalt's, 208 cc. Onboard storage for all the bits and all that. The tips, $429 for this one. So it's a 3400 psi, 2.5 gallon per minute. And then you got the bigger one, which is made in the USA with global materials. You got all the accessories there, all the bits or tips. 3600 psi, 2.5 gallons per minute. This one's $699. It does come with the Honda engine. So really nice Honda engine on these. You got a 90 psi, 0.6 gallon per minute. You got $249 for this one. So powered backpack sprayer. You can use that for weeds or pesticides. And then you got another one here. This one's non-electric. This is a 4-gallon, $89.97. All right, clearance section. You got the pass load 16 gauge nailer. This is a $189. You got the landscape tool holder for $29, down from $57. You got this vacuum on sale. This is a 14-gallon, 6 horsepower, $99.98, down from $119. It's a wet and dry vacuum. But check this out. I did find this accessory here. Now this one's universal. It works with just about any vacuum. It's $19.98, down from $24. There's a hard bristle brush, and you can attach it to that vacuum, and it'll get those particles loosened. You guys got carpet and heavy duty cleaning. All right, you got the truck box, 71-inch graphite, $405. These are new deals, guys. Yes, new deals just dropped at the Home Depot. So from here on, it's going to be new deals. All right, you got handheld planer, $169. Barrel style jigsaw, $169. You got the atomic hammer drill, $139. Impact driver and drill driver for $279 with 2 batteries, charger in the case. And check this out. You got $599. It's on sale, guys. This is actually a pretty good deal. It was $699 down to $599. We had some of these on clearance. I believe it was the older model, but now they have these on sale in the big DeWalt section here. All right, so they got the DXL tow system from the DeWalts. They got $79.98 on sale for the worktop, $189 for the dolly, $299 for the single drawer, and $329 for the double drawer. So definitely check it out. They got some new sale prices on these. As you guys look closely, they are really, really professional boxes. Heavy duty. All right, buy one, get one free. This is our new deals. All right, so 6 amp hour battery will get you, you will get that for free if you buy any of the tools on the bottom. You can buy that circular saw. You can buy that ratchet, the SDS rotary hammer. The ratchet's all these are the atomic. That is the battery you're gonna get for free when you purchase one of those tools. So this is valued at $179. There is the rotary hammer, SDS. All right, they got this one on sale. This is a double-sided tape measure from the DeWalts. This one's $23.97, not bad. The Mag U series or Tough series. Then they got some sort of countersink. Yeah, countersink piece. $19.97 for those, for that 3-piece. You got the black and gold DeWalts. All right, buy one get one free. Same thing with these batteries and these tools. So that's a 6 amp hour battery, not a high output. It's just a nicer battery. I got a brushless quarter sheet sander, oscillating tool, and the compact reciprocating saw. That one's valued as $169. And then you got the impact wrench, which this is the best deal to hack. You guys are able to hack all these deals, guys. I'll leave you guys all the links down below in the description section of the video. You got a 3 amp hour for $39. You got a task light for $79. This is a 20 volts. You got a 5 amp hour battery. This is the power stack, guys. Remember, $99. That's a killer deal on that one. Backless stick handheld vacuum, $99. You got a 3-pack of batteries, 4 amp hour, 6 amp hour, and 2 amp hour for $129. That's an excellent deal there for a lot of battery for $129. Those are the batteries there that you're gonna $99. And then there is a 3-pack for $129. That's an excellent deal. Make sure you guys stock up on those batteries. All right, you got some new DeWalt apparel. So they got this hats, $17.88. Really like the material that's made of. Nice breathable material on the back. $179 for the 6 amp hour starter kit. $199 for the reciprocating saw. That is the flex bolt 60 volt reciprocating saw. You got the flex bolt 60 volts circular saw valued at $199. That's it right there. Those are all flexible tools. All right, circular saw. You got 7 1/4, $14.97. Different toothlesses. You got 40 tooth, 24 tooth, and 60 tooth fine finish for $19.97. So those are pretty nice. You guys do fine woodworking. All right, $9.88 on sale. This is a 6-piece spade bit set. This is really, really good. I personally use these for videos, versus videos. If you guys don't know, I do versus videos Milwaukee versus DeWalt, and there's going to be a lot of new videos coming up. All right, buy one get one free with that power stack. That power stack is going to be the free battery if you purchase any of those two tools, including that screw gun and drywall cutout tool. So make sure you guys pick yourself a nice set there with the free battery. And these deals are up until about 2 months. So make sure you guys shop early because some of these deals will sell out, especially because they only have limited amounts of tools. So definitely check it out. That is the drywall cutout tool. All right, you got the Max Fit Ultra Set, 50 piece, $17, down from $19. This is pretty nice. It does come with some nut drivers there at the bottom, some socket adapters, and a bit holder, magnetic bit holder. You got some nice extension nut drivers. So magnetic nut driver set, $17. Buy one get one free. These are new deals from the Makita, a free battery with the purchase of any of those tools. That is a 5 amp hour battery. You can select from that the oscillating tool, the LXT grinder, the router, the jigsaw, or the circular saw. And yes, guys, you guys are able to hack all these tools and get yourself a nice big discount on that. $269 for that 4 amp hour hammer drill and impact driver. $379 for the LXT 5 amp hour hammer drill and impact driver. $199 for the 2-tool combo kit with 2 and a 4. $139 with the 2-tool with the 2 amp hour kit. So it's a smaller kit. Pretty good value on this one. And then $169 for the subcompact brushless, which is a pretty good value as well. All right, $99 your choice. One-handed reciprocating saw. You got the random orbit sander. That's the new sander, by the way, if you guys haven't looked at it. That's the oscillating multi-tool, brushless. So all those are $119 for the exclusive max output EXP battery. $149 for the max outputs starter kit. All right, $24.97 for the multi-tool blades. And then you get a free blade, I guess, with that set. $29.97 for the 50 piece. $19.88 for the 21 piece. You got, check this out, guys. You got impact sockets, brand new impact sockets. $19.97, 6-piece, 3/8 drive adapter for your impact driver. You got a 21 piece drilling bit set. That's actually not bad. Oscillating blade set. And then the reciprocating saw, you do get some wood, thin metal, and medium metal. So medium duty use. You got $19.97, your choice any of these. These are excellent deals. Very inexpensive. These are great tools. You got the torque lock plier set, pack of 2. You got the tape measure and the screwdriver set. That's pretty nice. You got the long reach, the long nose pliers for the Milwaukee, and then you do have the linesman's pliers, high visible, or what is it, high leverage. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Those are the bigger size. And then you got the tape measure, which is labeled on both sides. That's really nice. It's only a 25 footer though. And then you got the locking pliers with some big red handles on the bottom, so you guys could get a better lock on those. All right, so you got the rigid vacuum. This is $99. It's on sale, NXT. This is, I believe, is the same one that we saw on the other side, but now they have it here so we can see what's up with this vacuum. You can even test it on this. Got a nice big button on the top, nice handle, so you guys can store all the extension and all that, the wiring. You got a pack out fan, $129. Now this one is compatible with your pack out. It will clip on and go on top. A little pricey, but if you're in the system, might as well invest in it. All right, you got the pruner as a pruning shear, M12, so it's with the smaller battery. You got some edge trimmer. The pruning shears are $149 from $199. The hatchet, 6-inch hatchet, $149 from $199. That's it right there. Little chainsaw. You got an edge trimmer, $149 from $199. All right, these are new lower prices. I don't know if they're actually well, they're on sale. Basically, that's what they are. So 189 for the dolly. This one's a Tough System 2.0. This was a toolbox. And compact the toolbox, $62 off from 69. That's not bad, guys. That's a really nice toolbox. You can put a couple of those on a full size. All right, got 33 down from 44 for the black work skin. Now that the heat's around the corner, you guys have to wear some cool clothing. Building for movement, you got $19 down from $24.97. $19 down from $24.88. These are reciprocating saw blades. Torch. So these are going to be the best Milwaukee blades that they offer. High efficiency blade, $8.52. You got this expanded attachment, $85. This is a pruner, 10-inch pruning saw, down from $169. It is universal with other brands because it is the attachment. You got this weed whacker, 17-inch, $49, down from $179. That's an excellent deal. I believe that's very similar to that. I think they messed up on that one. $62.98 down from $69 for that tool belt. And then check this out, $225 down from $449. It's half price. That's a killer deal. That's a 40-volt tool with battery and charger. Yeah, $5.90 down from $7.97. For those gloves, you got the special buy here for these batteries and a charger. These are HP batteries, $400. You got a 3-pack, which is not bad. You got a scroll saw, $110 down from $219. This is a 16-inch scroll saw. Not bad for you guys woodworking. You got a Tough System, $100 down from $199 for this Tough System 2.0 work light. That's actually a pretty dang good deal. All right, Milwaukee, guys. We do have some Milwaukee in the clearance section here. This is at the front of the store, so this thing's going to fly off. This is $379 for the 30-degree framing nailer from the Milwaukees. You got $70 down from $139 for the impact driver. Band 5 there for what, $40. You got the System 2.0 3-drawer for $134, down from $149. It's actually pretty good. Rear handle circular saw kit, $349. That's an excellent deal. Does come with a battery and charger, and then you got that 40-volt string trimmer and blower combo kit. Guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right here. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.